the wood and the ability to paint, because that art of making the metal look like wood is pretty special. $95,000, the current bid on another Willis Custom from 1941.
Beautiful willow green paint, and just look at this sleek shape. Usually we see coupes, only occasionally the convertible. So a bit of freelancing here, and we'll test your memory. What modern compact car donated its headlights to this build?
I'm thinking a Mini.
Mini Cooper, yes sir.
Detail we see here, the prow, the beak has been laid back, probably about 25 degrees or so. That's usually bolt upright, but a lot of subtle touches on this fiberglass body.
I don't know if he just missed that, but the gentleman that just won that just stood up and was pumping his fist in the air. $90,000, thrilled to come away the winner of that 1941 Willis Custom convertible. What a day of special moments here at Barrett Jackson.